Hudson.
Hudson eating for the first time. Something other than milk.
What?
Oh.
Okay. He likes it. I think he likes
Can you swallow it?
it. Ew. You can. Yeah. Can it.
That's a little bird.
He was. He was a little bird. He has more. He got more on it.
Hudson, get them fingers out of there.
It helps the appetite go down.
Hold on, Caleb. Is it good?
Come here, James. Come sit with me. You can see right here. There you go.
She's out. Is that a baby spoon?
It's an infant thing.
For Hudson? Is it for tiny babies that are 0? Yeah. Hudson was just looking up.
I think he likes it. You say bye?
Bye-bye.
Bye.